What should we do?
I don't really know. I kind of like everything I've been seeing lately. I like that one girl where it was like blonde in the front and like rooted, but it was like bright at the ends. But I really just want you to do whatever you want to do. Like just look at this and be like, how can I fix it?
Like, do you kind of want to keep like dimension in it, or do you want, pull up my Insta and show Coco's hair. This one, hers is pretty, Billy's already crying. Solid at the bottom.
See here?
Show that photo. Like, it is pretty solid at the bottom, but should we do, maybe I'll show you that.
I don't want it like one color. Like,
yes.
I like how like when you're looking,
yes.
At the video,
Yes.
I like how it's like blonde in the front. You see how it's
Yes.
rooted, it's darker in the back,
But you don't
I don't
have
need that color.
Solid.
I just like how it's done.
Got it.
So
really dimensional, really shadowed root, blended.
But like more blonde, like this much blonde, or
Yes.
like how she has like, it seems like she's got like a good bit blonde and rooted, so it can grow out like it did this time. It still looked amazing.
Yes. Perfect. Let's do it. Tell me this. Layers and your haircut. Like, do you want 22-inch and less hair in each row?
I want it to feel lighter.
Okay.
Like sometimes I'm like, how did I have so much hair?
Yes.
Blow drying it would take forever.
Do you feel like last time was a good amount, or should we do
perfect.
less?
I think like less is more. And so I think we're getting to a good place now with my hair.
I think
it's
so
like
too.
so getting healthier and healthier every time, that we could start going less if you want to try that. But I do need like a trim, so I don't know how that will go.
One more thing is, do you like the length of your layers right now, or do you want to have more volume, more layers, and do you want these to be like a little shorter, or do you like how they are?
Well, I'm trying to grow them out because they're like uneven. I just want them to be like even, because like one side is like a little longer.
But you kind of want them to stay the like they are.
Yeah, because I want them to like
grow,
but I want it to be seamless with the extensions. I like when you just get in there and I don't know what you do.
Perfect.
However you do it.
Perfect. Okay, sounds great. Let's do it. Basically, right now we have vanilla almond butter and pecan sandy. This side we have vanilla almond butter, pecan sandy, and almond truffle. But so this one's like a little brighter. But dang, man,
I don't know.
that's a hard choice. But I kind of believe. I just think
I feel like more like I don't want it too bright because I still want it
Yes.
like dark, because my hair is like, my root is so dark. It's not like your root, so I don't feel like I would look right now going that light.
I think so too, and I think it looks really beachy.
Yeah.
And like this one looks so.
And you can like root it a little bit to
Yes.
make it match this, right?
Yes. I feel like I'm just a big fan of that.
I feel like I agree. That's
feel
a
like
great one.
it's
Look at how
so-
good I look already with it.
Like, seriously, just pin it up and go.
Only we could.
All right, guys, we're gonna show you a little transformation we're gonna do on Brielle. As you can tell, her hair's super thick and coarse. So we had to put enough hair in her head that is gonna blend and make everything look seamless. You don't wanna have that thick hair and coarse hair and then have her extensions not be able to blend because her hair is so thick. So you have to put enough hair that it's gonna blend, but also not too much that it makes it look really bulky. So once we decide on hair and colors, then we are gonna go ahead and sew that hair in, and then we start coloring everything to blend because we want everything to be super blended and seamless. That is why we always choose to add the extensions first, because I feel like it's just easier for you to make everything look like her real hair, because you're toning everything together, you're cutting everything together, you're styling everything together, and I feel like it just makes everything look seamless. So that's why we chose to do this. And once we go ahead and foil everything, then we take her back to the bowl, and we wash everything, and then it's time to tone. We tone her natural color hair, her natural hair and her extended hair together like it's all one thing, like it's all her normal hair. That way everything can be seamless and blended. And I feel like this is the best way to make your extensions look the most natural, because you're blending everything together. As you can see, this is her before and after, and I feel like it looks so seamless, and I feel like it blends so well, and I just love the color so much. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about our method or getting an appointment or anything like that. Thank you.